What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and activate the bell button too, so you get notification every time I post a new video and you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to teach you how to do slice technique when you cut hair. For what we use this technique and what's the benefit of this technique, all those details in the video. So let's go and start the video step by step. Okay guys, so when do we use the slice technique? If we have a long hair or a medium hair, like boring, kind of like a blunt one length, so we want to add some texture, we want to add some movement, shattery look, definitely this is the technique for you. So how we do execute this technique? Let's first take horizontal section. Okay, here we go. First thing we're gonna do is determine the length of the slice, which means how deep I want to go in the hair. Like I want to slice from where? I want to slice from here, I want to slice more middle, or I want to slice on the end. Where I want to start create the slice. So very important first to determine how deep I want to go in the hair. Okay, this is up to you. It depends on the effect you're trying to create, what you're trying to do. So this is up to you. So the first thing is we're gonna agree on is how deep we want to create the slice. So I took my horizontal section, I determined the length. So here I'm going like maybe 3 inches, like you see here, perfect. And what I'm gonna do is very important. After that, I created, I took the section, I determined what I'm going to cut, and now I will show you on camera. This is my shear. I will open halfway, like you see, not that much and not too close. It's just kind of halfway here. Okay. Very important. You see how I'm opening halfway? Perfect. Very important. Look, my elbow is up and the hair going away from me, perfect, above my finger and going away from me. Why? Because look my movement, how it's gonna be. My movement is gonna start from the wrist. So it's gonna be in, out, away from me. I'm slicing out, okay? So I took my horizontal section, I determined how deep I wanted the slice to be, and I opened my shear halfway, like you see it on camera, and then I go in. When I go in, here I determined where the slice is gonna be. Halfway, my blade of the shear open, and from the inside, I go outside, and now you can see the hair already on my blade. Can you see it? Yes, I think you can do. So then I go middle like of the section and I slice out like this, and then here we go. If you want to create more, but look the movement of my wrist, in, out, in, out. So let's do it again. I will spray a little bit water, just make sure the hair is wet. Perfect. Here we go. And let's take horizontal section. Here we go. It's a beautiful technique. I love this technique. And here I determine where I want to start the slice. As I said, my shear open halfway the blade, and look how my movement gonna be from my wrist. Look my elbow, and I go in and I slice out, and you can see the hair already on my blade. Here we go, and then out, out. So the more you practice, the easier the technique become. Very important, very simple. The very important thing you have to do is to determine where the slice you want to be. Your elbow, move it up. Your wrist gonna go in. The blade halfway. So, and the movement is gonna be that way. This is very important, elbow and wrist, because the movement and this technique all coming from the wrist. But if my elbow low and I'm trying to do it, I mean, it's just kind of, I can do it if I'm like doing it in here, maybe close to my belly with the pen, but if I'm trying to slice on a higher elevation, definitely I need to move my elbow higher. And as I said, my wrist comes in, out, it's all from the wrist. If you control your wrist, this technique, the easiest technique ever. And keep your blade stable, halfway open, out, out. And you will master this technique. And half an hour, 45 minutes max, you will master this technique. It's not gonna even take you an hour. So practice, and believe me, you will be able to add so much shattery, beautiful texture to the hair. So let me know if this video was helpful, and write me in the comment below what else do you want me to show you, or what you want me to teach you. And I see you in a new video, a new idea, and ciao for now.